Good evening. Today, we will be covering the post-market update dated the 6th of February, 2024. The Indian equity benchmarks managed to hold on to the early gains and ended the session near the day's highs on February 6, as investors shrugged off concerns over a delay in rate cuts by the U.S. Federal Reserve. At close, the Sensex was up 454.67 points, or 0.63% at 72,186.09, and the Nifty was up 167.50 points, or 0.77% at 21,939.20. Top Nifty gainers included BPCL, HDFC Life, TCS, Maruti Suzuki and HCL Tech, while losers were Power Grid, IndusInd Bank, ITC, Bajaj Finserv and Britannia Industries. Talking about the corporate segment, we have the market capitalization of TCS has crossed 15 rupees lakh crore for the first time as the IT bellwether hit record highs on February 6. At 12:40 p.m., the stock was trading 3.7% up at 4,125 rupees, after making an intraday high of 4,135 rupees per share. In the recent quarter, TCS announced marginal improvement in revenues, while reporting healthy margin expansion. For the Q3 financial year 2024, the operating margins expanded 75 basis points on quarter and 48 bps on year. TCS also announced encouraging deal wins while registering a total contract value of $8.1 billion. Shares of ZYDUS Life Sciences surged over 6% in the early trade to hit a 52-week high of 809.20 rupees on February 6 after the company said its board would consider a proposal for buyback of shares on February 9. If approved, this will be the second time that the pharma firm will buy back shares. The drug maker had launched a similar plan in June 2022. The company will also announce its quarterly results for the December quarter on the day of the board meeting. Yes Bank gained up to 11% on the NSE on February 6, a day after HDFC Bank Group received the Reserve Bank approval to pick up stakes in it and 5 more lenders. At 10:35 a.m., the Yes Bank stock was trading at 25 rupees, up 9.5% from the previous close. HDFC Bank said in a regulatory filing that the Reserve Bank of India has allowed the group to acquire up to 9.5% stakes in IndusInd Bank, Yes Bank, Axis Bank, ICICI Bank, Suryodaya Small Finance Bank and Bandhan Bank. The approval for acquiring the stakes is for 1 year and is intended for investments by HDFC Asset Management Company, HDFC Ergo and HDFC Life Insurance, said the filing. Shares of SOUVEN Pharma plunged 5% on February 6 after the company's Q3 earnings disappointed investors on all 3 key parameters of net profit, revenue, and profitability. The company's net profit for the December quarter tanked 56.6% on year to 46.5 rupees crore, down from 107.7 rupees crore last fiscal. The drug maker's bottom line was dragged lower by an one-time adjustment of 13.40 rupees crore towards inventory provision. Ejmera Realty, an infra India in daily time frame, is trading around 710.50 points with a change of 20%. And is trading with a net volume of around 2.665 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 602.16, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 81.16. Bhagyanagar India in daily time frame is trading around 119.40 points with a change of 20%, and is trading with a net volume of around 2.406 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 101.66, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 72.93. Avin Smart Spaces in daily time frame is trading around 650.40 points with a change of 20%, and is trading with a net volume of around 443.759 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 545.91, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 88.03. For the stock recommendation we have, Birlasoft Limited looks good and can be bought at 854 rupees. keeping a stop loss of 833 rupees and a target of 875 rupees.
You can reach us via phone, WhatsApp, or email using the information listed on the screen. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial insights. And, as always, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, happy investing.